Okay, on number 4, we're going to solve this equation. We're going to follow our flow chart, DCBA. So the first thing I see is I can distribute 8 into x and 2. So 8x plus 16 minus 8 equals, on this side, I can combine my like terms if I want to right now. Error alert, be on the lookout that you're combining 14 and negative 2x. So that's going to get me 12x plus 44. Then on my left side, I can combine 8x, I can combine 16 and negative 8, or 16 minus 8, and so that's going to get me 8x plus 8, because a positive 16 and minus 8 or negative 8 combine to get positive 8, so be careful with that, and then equals 12x plus 44. Now I'm ready to balance, so I'm going to minus 8x from both sides, as opposed to minusing 12x, because that would have been negative. 8 equals 4x plus 44. Now I've got a two-stepper, so I'm going to minus 44 from both sides. And I've got 4x equals, I know this is negative, and it's negative 36. And then divide by 4, and x equals negative 9. And so this means that the number that x could have been way back at the beginning that would have balanced my equation is negative 9.